A complete beginner, really the emphasis with a complete beginner would be just to learn the exercises properly and learn the function of the muscle group and the connection with the weight and so on, rather than trying to push and progress too much. So for the first month, I might do a whole body routine, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, with 1 exercise per muscle group, just to teach the technique and to learn the exercises, learn the connection with the muscle. And then quite quickly, I'd probably move on to splitting the upper body and the lower body into equal halves, and training 3 times a week, which is one of the early routines I did. And it might seem a bit strange over a weekly basis. So let's look at it like this. So for instance, Monday, doing the lower body, so quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and so on. Taking a day off. Next day doing upper body, taking a day off, and then Friday doing legs again. So that looks a bit off balance because you did legs twice that week and upper body once. But the next week is the other way around. Upper body Monday, legs on Wednesday, upper body on Friday. So if you look at over a long period of time, you see that you're doing each body part twice in 9 days. So once every 4.5 days on average, you're working a muscle group. And maximum 2 exercises for each muscle group. There's kind of a myth in bodybuilding, I think, that as you get more advanced, you should train more frequently. I believe the opposite is true. As we discussed earlier on, you need to train intensely, you need to put stress on the muscle, and you need to recover. When you're a beginner, you can actually recover more quickly because the intensity and the overload of the workout that you're able to generate is not that high. As you get more advanced, you need more recovery time. So for instance, when I was a beginner, I was training each body part around once every 4 or 5 days. And I got to be Mr. Olympia, I was training each body part really once every 6 or 7 days with a greater split. So as a beginner, I would recommend people try that routine. It's called rotation for recuperation. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, doesn't matter, non-consecutive days, so you've got a day off in between, and splitting the body between upper body and lower body. And then as you get more advanced, splitting the workouts up more into 3 or 4 workouts.